Okay, so I got these cool little side guys. I don't know if you can see it. It's having a hard time focus on it. But yeah, I got little bat coffins for the side markers of the windows. And I aligned them on both sides of the car. Okay, you see I got one on the other side as well. I think it really adds to the gothic nature of the car. It's kind of a cool little side sticker. Nothing important, but this is these are the decals that I got from Under Desert Moons. Really high quality, really nice. They also look really cool. Give them a check them out. Like, they got a lot of cool stuff, and this was really cheap. I think both decals were all of maybe $4. Yeah, check them out.